Grok removed their free plan, but what if I told you there's still a way to generate unlimited videos and images for free? Yeah, most people think it's over, but there's a loophole, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. First, go to your Grok account and check if your free trial is still active. If it's not, just create a new account and claim the 3-day free trial. Now, normally people generate content by typing prompts one by one, waiting, and downloading everything manually, which honestly is a huge waste of time. But here's where things get interesting. Go to the Chrome Web Store and install Grok Automator. I've added the link in the description and pinned comment. Now, instead of doing everything manually, use the Prompt Creator tool to generate unlimited prompts.
Wow.
No API, no extra payment, completely free. Just add your prompts to the queue, adjust your settings, and hit start. The Automator will handle everything, feeding prompts, generating content, and downloading it automatically. No manual work needed, and it gets even better. There are multiple modes like ingredients mode, paired mode, and frame mode, so you can create different types of content easily. Now, one important thing, before your 3-day trial ends, make sure you cancel the subscription. Otherwise, you will get charged. And yes, you can repeat this process with new trials and generate a massive amount of content. If this helped you, comment Grok, and I'll give you a discount. Share this with your friends and on social media, then send your screenshots and post links to our email to earn up to 50%. And if you're a content creator, fill out the form below to get free access to our tools. Subscribe to Autoplay Labs and start generating like a machine. Happy generating.